Hello and welcome to Rumble Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how you can upload video content and have it play back in your live stream. First thing you have to do is go to studio.rumble.com, start your live stream, and get it ready and into the streaming studio here. Once you're in the streaming studio, you want to navigate to the upper right-hand corner and select Studio. Once we're in the studio settings, this gives you the option to set your custom themes, as I've done here, your text overlays, or add media to your live stream. You can save media if this is something you'd like to have played back in any live stream. For example, stream starting soon, thank you for watching, closing stream credits. You can also upload media based on the live stream that you're doing at the time. So to do this, we'll go ahead and select Add New Media, and I'm going to go ahead and select Video since that's the type of content I want to go ahead and upload. We'll give this a title. We'll call it Video on Demand. And I'm going to go ahead and select the file I'd like to upload here. You'll give it just a moment to upload the video. You can edit or remove the video file. You can choose if you'd like the video to play on loop after it finishes. And once you're ready, you'll go ahead and click Create Video. Then it's as simple as clicking Go Live, starting your stream, and then selecting the video content you would like to have playback. And while it's selected, it'll play. You can turn it on and off. And when you're done with your live stream, instead of selecting the Go Live option, it would now say End Stream. You would go ahead and select End Stream. And that's essentially it. That's how you can easily play back video content on demand in your live stream using Rumble Studio.